Today I want to show you how to crochet a pair of slippers for men by only crocheting one piece and then sewing it together. My husband loves these and they take no time to do at all, and they are also a great gift. So let me show you how to crochet this piece and then sew it together. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I've used merino gold. It's a nice Turkish yarn. You can use any yarn you like. It's a DK weight. I put it double, so I work from the inside strand and the outside and put them together as one. So obviously you can use a medium weight 4 instead, or just use a DK weight and put it double. But that's the yarn. I will write in the description how much yarn you will need. Then I've used a formal with a crochet hook and some scissors and a tapestry needle. We begin by putting the yarn double, so you don't have to use 2 skeins to put them double. You'll just take the thread from the outside and from the inside as well and put them together as one and crochet like so. And we begin with a slip knot. Make a loop and grab the long end from the middle and pull. And then we chain 50. So yarn over, pull through 50 times. 3, 4. When we have 50 chains, we will now begin working into these chains. You skip the first one and move on to the second chain. Insert your hook into this and single crochet. And then work 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And when you're all the way across, it looks like this. Now you chain 1 to turn the work. So chain 1 and then turn. And then you skip your turning chain, move on to the second stitch, insert your hook and work a single crochet. And then work 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. When you make it all the way across, you chain 1 and turn again. And then you work back and forth for 16 rows in total. So this is row 1. Then you crochet all the way to the end, chain 1 and turn, and then work your way all the way back with a single crochet in each stitch for 16 rows in total. When you have 16 rows, it now measures about 9.5 centimeters. We will now chain 1 and turn. Then we skip the turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then for this next round, or 17th row, we only crochet 27 single crochet. Now work 27 single crochet. And then we chain 1, whoops, and turn. Then you skip your turning chain, work a single crochet in the next, and then you work a single crochet all the way back. So it now looks like this. And you will now do 8 rows in total. So this is your first row, and this is your second. Work 8 rows in total, like this. And then after this, when you are here at this point, you will chain 25. 1, 2, 'And it is a bit longer, but it will shrink a bit when we begin crocheting in it. So you turn and skip the first chain, move on to the second, single crochet into this, and work 1 single crochet all the way across. So you'll work 1 single crochet all the way across, and then you'll work 16 rows just like this. So 16 rows up here. And when you have the 16 rows, you will now cut the yarn and pull this one through. Find your tapestry needle and thread it And we are now ready to sew them together. So now you will take this and fold it like this. And now you have your slipper. Your foot will come in here. So you will now sew it together all the way here and here. So at the heel and on the under the foot. So this we will do after, but now you'll just do this and this. And I just put them together and then sew them together with the whip stitch. I'm not a master in sewing and don't know all the stitches, but this works. Just the whip stitch all the way down and all the way on underneath the slipper. So now when we have it all closed up back here and on the below, we only need to pull it together up here by the toes. So you will now take your thread and then you will do like this. In Denmark we call it rig. So you'll do this all the way around like this. And when you're all the way around, you can now pull it together. So you see the slipper becoming. You just pull this together hard. Don't break the thread. Don't break this yarn. Just pull it together and then hold it steady and weave in your end so it doesn't unravel. Just give it a little pull and then take your needle and sew it together at the very end of the slipper at the front. Just a couple of times just to make sure it doesn't unravel, and then cut the yarn finally. Like so. And then we have this wrong side. We will now turn it around. We have the right side out. And we have the slipper. That's it. That's how you make a slipper for your husband or a gift for a friend or anyone. So make another one and then you have a pair, and that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up. Please leave any comment you would like and then follow my channel if you please. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!